Sparks Garage, and well, we got some pretty cool boxes here. We're going to do some serious upgrades to the front end and the rear end of the white 2014 Chevy Silverado. And by the box, you can see where it came from. We got a bunch of goodies from rough country. They're just about 3 hours away from me in Tennessee. So we're going to get the boxes open up and see what we got. All right, we're going to start off with let's try this box first. Okay, I know what this one is. Down the house. Let's see what's in this box. This is the V2 monoshocks. This is for the rear of the truck. These are nitrogen filled, so it's going to give us a pretty darn nice ride for the rear. Holy smokes, look at these things. These are some big, burly rear shocks. And this truck is going to ride phenomenal. Wow, look at the quality and craftsmanship on this. Sealed. These are some stout rear shocks. Alright, let's see what they do. They definitely got some nice rear shocks. There are instructions here. Some rough country monoshock absorbers, V2. Again, these are nitrogen filled. That's a pretty good upgrade. Let's see what this one is. Oh, I know sure. These are replaced on our truck. It's got about 120,000 miles on it, and the upper ball joint is completely shot. So these are upgraded forged steel upper control arms with new ball joints, and this is made for lifted trucks. Right now I have a problem with this basically biting up the ball joint due to the lift on it. This is going to correct that issue, and you got some awesome looking new control arms, and these things are heavy duty. Stout. There's spacers, and the other one's down below. Let's continue on. This one here, these are the new alignment cam kit. It is. This allows for a little more adjustment for the lifted vehicles. So we got a lift, plus we got a little bit bigger tires. That's going to be nice to have when you go through the front alignment. Alright. Let's get this one here. These are also really nice to have. It's all pre-assembled, ready to rock and roll. These are a rough country V2 full assembled strut with brand new coil springs. They're lifted coil springs. I mean, look at this thing. This thing's a beast. So now we can get away from the block that we have on the bottom of our stock shock, and we can eliminate that, and this will allow to have a 2-inch lift in the front of these huge heavy duty shocks. And it's so nice. It's a whole assembly. You just slap it in and go. Wow. These things are awesome. Way cool. Alright, now the last part is something I didn't need to have to fix the front end. It's worn out, but it was such a cool part. It's definitely going to be used for what its purpose is. Because this truck, we really don't take it off-road at all. The truck is parts all in box. Take another quick look at all these awesome parts from Rough Country. Forged steel control arms, cam plates. We got the Rough Country V2 mono shock absorber. Look at these ladder bars. They even got heim joints on the ends of them. Flip this one over. Yeah. And then look at these huge struts. Big old coils. This is going to be very exciting and a very probably long project. So we'll get started on this tomorrow. Again, check out Rough Country.